Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Hi there, and welcome to another College Investor Audio Show. Today, we're taking a look at this, the best portfolio analysis tools. So, when it comes to understanding your investments, you might face a dizzying array of tools to analyze your portfolio. Some tools cost money, and then others are free. We like those. Some offer deep insights, while others keep the analysis at a high level. Which one is best for analyzing your portfolio? Best high-level visualizations. Personal Capital. It's a free portfolio analysis tool that gives a mosaic plot chart, if you will, to help you visualize the composition of your portfolio. It breaks down your portfolio into stocks, bonds, international, domestic, and other important categories. In addition to the mosaic chart, Personal Capital tracks your net worth, cash flow, and provides recommendations and insights to help users better understand how to invest. Now, although Personal Capital is free, there are a few strings attached. Of course, it serves as an advertising platform for Personal Capital's advisory services. So when you first sign up, you're probably going to get a few calls from financial advisors looking for your business. The pros are, it is free. It's a great tool. Comes at the best possible price. Excellent visualizations. While I'm really not a huge fan of Personal Capital's pie charts, why? The majority of the visualizations are helpful for investors trying to make sense of their portfolio. Helpful recommendations for typical investors. The app makes high-level recommendations about where your asset allocation should be, given your risk tolerance and your age. These aren't perfect because they aren't customized, but an investor without a ton of background knowledge will likely find these helpful. Here are some cons. You're going to receive calls. They're just going to call you. If you've got a six-figure portfolio, expect a few calls from Personal Capital reps. It's annoying, but after a few calls, they do give up, and you can use the tool for free without being hassled. There's minimal insight into volatility, though. Personal Capital doesn't give much insight into expected volatility, really, unless you dig into the recommendations section. Here's the best probability-based tool, Portfolio Visualizer. So Portfolio Visualizer is one of the most robust portfolio analysis tools in the market. It specializes in Monte Carlo simulations, which give the probability of a portfolio lasting a specific period of time, backtesting, and various forms of asset allocation analysis. The tool also provides some insights into timing strategies. Portfolio Visualizer is ideal for investors who enjoy tinkering with their portfolio, but won't be tempted to dump their strategy when they come across a new tool in Portfolio Visualizer. Here are some of the pros. Monte Carlo and backtesting. So probability-based portfolio analysis is key for people trying to do DIY retirement or college planning. Portfolio Visualizer provides easy-to-use and easy-to-understand options for both of these. There's a robust, free option. The free version of Portfolio Visualizer provides all the major functionality, except exports to Excel or CSV files and the ability to import portfolios. If you simply want to understand the tool, the free option is excellent. Here are the cons. You must pay to import portfolios. It costs $19 a month for a basic subscription to the tool. Now, this includes importing and saving portfolios and then exports to CSV or Excel files. People with lots of individual stocks will probably need to upgrade to this option. And it also can be overwhelming. With great power comes great responsibility. In spite of the educational materials on the site, Portfolio Visualizer can be overwhelming, especially for people just getting started. I recommend familiarizing yourself with basic investing concepts using something like Personal Capital or even Morningstar Portfolio Manager before digging into this tool. Morningstar Portfolio Manager. So I just mentioned it, and now we're going to talk about it. Morningstar is one of the premier tools for everyday investors looking to understand more about their investment portfolio. Morningstar's and Portfolio Manager, it's a great free tool that gives details on stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. The X-Ray tool also gives a deep dive into each mutual fund or ETF to give details that other analysis tools might miss. For example, it uncovers hidden fees and shows whether you may be accidentally overinvested in a single stock due to a fund's allocation. Some of the pros are, it's really easy to understand. The charts and statistics that Morningstar provide, easy. And even for people who don't have a lot of background in investing, it's still pretty easy. It's focused on the right details. Most investors need to understand their asset allocation and also the fees they're paying. The Morningstar tool provides details on these, but doesn't overwhelm with too much information. Some of the cons? You do have to manually enter portfolios. Unlike many portfolio analysis tools, Morningstar's Portfolio Manager cannot be connected to your brokerage account. You must manually enter all your portfolio positions, and you do have to pay. While you can try it out for 14 days, the service costs $199 per year. So is a portfolio analysis tool right for you? Well, the tools that we've outlined today are excellent for analyzing your portfolio, but as robust as the tools are, they won't meet every need. A lot of times, the best tools for improving your finances are tools that just kind of help you manage your cash flow. For this type of need, a free app like Mint, Clarity, Money, or Emma may make more sense. For the spreadsheet inclined, Tiller Money, $59 a year, can help with net worth tracking and cash flow management. Finally, you may want a calculator to see how your portfolio fits into your overall financial plan. For that, the Retirement Budget Calculator, it says $95 annually, can prove to be an extremely valuable resource. And that's all we have for today. I really hope that was helpful in figuring out whether or not you need one of these analysis tools. And if you do, well, pick one of these. They're pretty awesome. And if you know somebody who you've maybe had a conversation about this with, share this podcast with them. Let's just help each other out too. If you want to know more, find out links, and see all kinds of really amazing resources, you can find it all at thecollegeinvestor.com. Thanks again for stopping by today. We'll talk to you again soon.